What's up guys, I am back and in this video I'm unboxing an iPhone XR clone. Now this thing, I got it for $100 and this is in blue color. It comes in all the shades. You get coral, red, yellow, black, white and blue itself. Now the phone is actually inside of this bubble wrap. All these Chinese clones, they come with these cases and are packed in a bubble wrap for extra protection, and I don't think they'll ever stop doing this. Anyways, as I said, this thing is in blue and it looks really great. It looks almost real, so that's a great thing for the price, though there are a few caveats and signs that actually give it away that it's a clone. I'll let you guys know about them later in the video. Now back in the box we actually have the paperwork, so we get this, and there are no Apple stickers obviously, but you actually get a glass protector, a screen guard for your phone. You can just put it on there for extra protection. Usually these come up with cases, so there is no case this time around, but there is a guard. Now we have the wall brick, the adapter for charging, and then we have the AirPods, and okay, there is no lightning cable, so you cannot charge this phone, so they didn't send any cable, though these headphones actually have the lightning connector, so obviously there is no headphone jack on this clone too, and there is no dongle too, so I guess that's why it is so cheap. Now talking about the clone itself, this thing actually doesn't have a 6.1-inch display. It's around 5.8 or 5.9 because there is a thick bezel at the bottom, though the notch up top is actually intact and looks real. Though the biggest letdown is the flash. This thing is not true tone and looks really cheap and fake. Anyone with a good eye will be able to tell that this is a clone. Now if you guys want more coverage on this clone or comparisons, let me know in the comment section. More content coming really soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until then, please like, comment and subscribe. Peace.